this the solution for even cake layers? Let's give it a try. Looks like it just slides open and slides closed like that, but it doesn't go any smaller than this. And for my 8-inch cake here, I would say this is at least 9, maybe 10 inches. Also an issue I'm seeing is you touch these and they move. So I'm a little nervous that we're gonna try to start slicing one way and it's gonna be moved by any pressure I put on these.
On my first attempt, this is exactly what happened. With no structural integrity with these rings, any pressure I placed on the ring itself made the knife not go in a straight line, creating a very crooked cake. Plus, as soon as I took my knife out halfway through, was unsure where to place it again because I forgot which ring I was using. I tried it again, moving the tool instead of my knife, and that did work better, but definitely more difficult than my usual method.
I usually level my cake layers by placing a serrated knife on the lip of the pan and slicing off that way. But for cakes that don't rise as high, or when I want to slice a cake in half, I like to use these levelers. They clip on just like this onto your knife, and then you can just slice on through with a nice even guide all the way through.
Making this tool a big thumbs down for me because it's not as adaptable or as user-friendly as my favorites, which I'll link in my Amazon recommendations. Now, what tool should we try next?